Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to rename threads in Perplexity AI. This is a great way to keep your conversation history organized and easily searchable, especially when you're managing multiple AI interactions. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as you'll need access to your saved threads for this process. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the interface. This is where Perplexity organizes your navigation options. Look for and click on the option labeled History. This section houses all your previous conversations and interactions with the AI, giving you a comprehensive view of everything you've worked on. Once you're in the History section, shift your focus to the top toolbar. Here you'll find several options for filtering and organizing your content. Click on Threads to specifically view your threaded conversations. This filters your history to show only the threads you've created, making it easier to locate the one you want to rename. Now comes the part where you'll actually rename your thread. Hover your mouse over the thread you want to rename. As you do this, you'll notice interactive elements appear. Look for the three dotted lines that appear right beside the thread title. Click on these three dots to open a menu with various options for managing that particular thread. From this menu, select Rename Thread. A text field will appear showing the existing thread title. Go ahead and delete the current name completely to clear the field. This gives you a fresh start to input your new, more descriptive thread name. Type in your new thread name, choosing something that will help you quickly identify the conversation later. Once you've entered your desired name, click the Save button to finalize the change. And that's it. Your thread now has a new, more meaningful name that reflects its content, making it much easier to find and reference in the future. This simple organizational step can save you significant time when you're searching through your conversation history. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.